Today I will discuss about best wet grinder for USA. Product link in the description. 1. Ultra Grind Plus Gold 2-liter tabletop wet grinder with Atta Kneader, 110 volt. 2. SHARDOR Coffee Grinder Electric, Spice Grinder Electric. Wet grinder for spices and seeds with 2 removable stainless steel bowls, silver. 3. Chulup's Electric Coffee Bean and Spice Grinder for dry grinding and wet chopping, 2 detachable bowls with seal lid. And built-in sharp blade, 75G capacity, lid-activated safety switch, included 2-in-1 spoon and cleaning brush. 4. Ultra Mini Tabletop 1.25 liters wet grinder with Atta Kneader, 110 volt, new model, white. 5. Cuisinart DBM 8 Supreme Grind Automatic per Mill. 6. LG Ultra Big Plus 2.5 liter tabletop wet grinder with Atta Kneader 110 volt for USA and Canada. 7. Judge Delight WetDry 3-jar mixer grinder powerful 750 watts motor. Stainless steel blades and jars, modern elegant design, 110V for the USA. 8. Pretty Eco Plus Mixer Grinder 110 volt for use in USA Canada, white, 3-jar. 9. Premier 2.0 liters tilting wet grinder, 110 volts, maroon color. Product link in the description.